my God. Welcome back, everyone. It's really good to see you again. I hope you've been enjoying all of the wonderful DIY projects that we've been doing. Over here is our really beautiful DIY natural dyed eggs for Easter. Now, if you want to learn more about how to do this project, make sure you check out the link somewhere. It will be wonderful for you to check that out first because we're going to be utilizing those, creating this really cute Easter place card. Let's get started. All you need is a napkin. I purchased this from Target. It was a potato sack napkin. It was white and I dyed it this really beautiful pink. If you want to learn more about it, comment below and maybe we could create a little DIY video for you. But next, we're gonna roll this up nice and tight. Then we're gonna grab the two ears, find the midpoint, grab one of the eggs, place it right there in that little nook. Get your ribbon to slide right underneath at that point, right above the egg. Bring down the flap, secure it. Bring down the other, secure it. And then we're gonna create a little ribbon. This portion, you wanna tie it kind of tight so that it could be nice and secure. We're gonna do this really simple ribbon. You could opt to do something else if you like. Twine is a really good option for this as well. I happen to have this ribbon at home. I'm utilizing it because it just gives a good match. Trim off the edges so your ribbon looks super clean. We have one final step. Since these are going to be place cards, although they're really cute as is, we're going to be adding a name. So today, I'm going to be adding the name Chloe. Let's add a little heart too. All right, isn't that amazing? So it's time for you guys to try it yourself. Now that we have our place cards all completed and done, what we're gonna do is apply it to our place settings. So we have a large charger, medium charger, a main dining plate, and this really cute decorative egg plate I got from Target. We're gonna place it right here. Look at that, so cute. Not only is it functional, but it's also super cute and it matches with all the colors here. Now that we have all of our place cards done, I want to show you all of my little babies. Check this out. One for everyone. Look at all the love, everyone. Ta-da! It's like magic, right? You guys see this tablescape? We started off with egg salad, and then we went on to udon salad. Then we created this beautiful roasted tri-tip and our lovely place cards and flower arrangements and our naturally dyed DIY Easter eggs. Oh, I love this tablescape. Isn't it amazing? Ah! I keep looking at it and it's like, oh, I can't clean it up because I want to keep it forever. But I want people to enjoy it because that's the whole point. What's the point in putting all of this together if no one's gonna sit down and actually enjoy it? So my whole thing is to make sure that every single person who's sitting at this table has a remarkable experience, and I hope you do too. Thank you for joining me on this journey, creating this beautiful Easter setup. I want you to subscribe and follow me on Instagram, LNDIYs, so that you can be filled in for all future remarkable experiences that we'll be putting together. This way, you can try it, have some fun, and make it yours and not miss a thing. Happy Easter from me to you. See you at the next celebration.